Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make prebiotics and probiotics. First, understand that prebiotics feed the good bacteria already in your gut, while probiotics introduce new beneficial bacteria. We'll explore simple, cost-effective methods to incorporate both into your diet. You'll learn how easy it is to boost your gut health right from your kitchen. Let's get started with some practical steps. Making probiotics is all about choosing the right foods. Incorporate items like garlic, onions, and leeks into your cooking regularly. Bananas, especially slightly green ones, and oats are also fantastic. These foods contain specific fibers that your beneficial gut bacteria love to feast on, helping them thrive and multiply. It's a simple dietary adjustment with big benefits. For probiotics, fermentation is key. You can easily make sauerkraut by fermenting shredded cabbage with salt. Another great option is homemade yogurt or kefir, using a good quality starter culture and milk. These processes introduce live, beneficial bacteria into your food. Remember to keep your fermentation environment clean and at a stable temperature for best results. Consistently including prebiotics and probiotics in your diet can significantly improve your gut health. This leads to better digestion, enhanced immune function, and even a positive impact on your mood. It's a powerful way to support your body's natural processes. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.